Okay, welcome back. We're going to wrap up our work on volume for this chapter. And so the very last shape we're going to talk about are cylinders. And some of you are going to find this nice because cylinders really are exactly the same as prisms as far as how we calculate their volume. So you notice that the formula I have up here is the same formula we used for our prism, area of the base times height. The only thing that's different is our base is not a polygon, it's a circle. So we're going to use our circle formula, pi r squared, when we're calculating our volume of a cylinder. So let's go ahead and look at a cylinder and start working on this together. So again, the first thing we want to do when we're looking at our cylinder is identify the base. And in a cylinder, our base shape is a circle. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to find the area of the base and then multiply it by the height. Now, because the base is a circle, we're going to use that formula, pi r squared. So we know that for pi, we're using 3.14. And our radius in this circle is 3, so we have 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9, and we have 3.14 times 9, which gives us a base area of 28.26. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in for capital B into my formula, 28.26. Then I'm looking at the height. The height of my pyramid is 6, so I'm going to multiply that by 6. So 28.26 times 6 gives me 169.56 square meters. And that is how we solve for volume of a cylinder.